National Museum of Fine Arts. The National Museum of Fine Arts is home to 29 galleries and hallway exposition comprising of 19th century Filipino masters, national art, leading modern painters, sculptors, and printmakers. Also on view are art loans from other government institutions, organizations, and individuals. Art of sculptures is considered one of the oldest art forms in the Philippines. Sculpting is an indigenous art embedded in our local cultures. Angel by Guillermo E. Tolentino walked around a divider graced with Guillermo Tolentino's angelic sculptures. La Tragedia di Gobernador Bustamante by Felix Resurrections Hidalgo. The Spelarium by Juan Luna. A collection of Christian-themed art during the Spanish era, from 17th to 19th centuries, when parts of the country was under Spanish colonial rule. Gallery of the Villa Crucis of an Ano, Bohol Master in 1830. These are among the oldest surviving series of artworks depicting the passion and sacrifice of Christ in the country. Dr. Jose Rizal, the national hero in art. These exhibitions honored Dr. Jose Rizal, 1861 to 1896. Known widely for his patriotism and acclaimed novels Nolimi Tangere and El Filibusterismo. Displayed in this gallery are some of his work, which show that aside from being a prominent doctor and writer, he was also a skilled artist. Also included here are several portraits, busts, and paintings of Rizal by eminent Filipino artists from the early to mid-20th century. Bulwagan Pagtanghal. Sa bulwagan ito, makikita ang 16 na mga likha mula sa halo-halong medium ng sculptor na si Limpi Pilapil, 1949. Early 20th century Philippine Portrait Hall. Displayed here are works of portraiture by artists of the classical realist school dating from 1903 to 1960s. This was a medium that was wholly dominated by national artists. Fernando Amorsolo, 1892 to 1972, whose influence continues to be widespread. Thank you for watching.